If you're looking for information on the MaxiBlocks Lifetime Deal and MaxiBlocks Review, you've come to the right place. The MaxiBlocks Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. You shouldn't have to choose between having a functional website or having one that's nice to look at. You've got an awesome creative vision for your site, but you don't quite have the coding experience to make it happen. If only there was a no-code page builder that integrated with WordPress and offered a design library packed with templates, patterns, and SVG icons. Use fast-loading, responsive templates to create web pages with this no-code page builder. Instantly style your whole website or template using style cards and create prototypes with the adaptive wireframe mode. Choose from over 1,650 ready-made patterns, 50-page templates, and 13,400 versatile SVG icons. MaxiBlocks is a no-code visual page builder that can create responsive, fast-loading web pages using an integrated design library. You can choose from over 1,650 patterns, 50-page templates, and 13,400 SVG icons to jumpstart page building and bring your creative vision to life. Customize pre-designed elements like buttons, headers, and footers, and combine designer elements to create feature-rich pages. With the drag-and-drop editor, you'll be able to add block patterns like hero sections, headlines, and testimonials. MaxiBlocks also lets you use placeholder patterns in wireframe mode and create prototypes without writing any code. MaxiBlocks ensures that your web pages look great on any device. That includes large 4K displays and any kind of mobile phone. Whether you're a newbie or a pro coder, you can use drag-and-drop features and custom CSS to design anything you want. You'll also get dynamic content and animation features like hover effects and scroll animations to make your site stand out. Plus, you can select color schemes and font pairings so your designs pop, and can even leverage SEO tools to boost your visibility online. Stop wasting days scouring the internet for the perfect icon or shape. MaxiBlocks lets you choose from over 13,400 customizable elements to get started. You can automatically restyle websites or templates with your choice of 100 style cards, each with light and dark mode elements. Enjoy user-friendly tools like undo, redo, version history, and tons of free WordPress integrations to streamline the site building process. MaxiBlocks lets you leverage full site editing tools to add navigation menus through standard navigation blocks for a seamless user experience. Get access to dynamic content to create landing pages, microsites, industry-specific templates for your portfolio, and more. Plus, you've got access to resources, video tutorials, and a dedicated support team that's ready to help you in a pinch. Unfortunately, not all code-free page builders are created equally. Good thing MaxiBlocks is jam-packed with responsive templates, patterns, and SVG icons that are easy to edit and make totally your own. Unlock your site's potential. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to MaxiBlocks today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.